Hey everyone! For fans of compact tablets, the iPad mini has held a unique position in Apple's lineup, blending powerful performance with a conveniently small form factor. With its last major redesign in 2021, the iPad mini has remained largely the same in its external design. But after nearly 3 years, anticipation is mounting for the upcoming iPad mini 7, expected to be released by the end of 2024. Here's a breakdown of what we know so far about Apple's next iteration of its smallest iPad. If you were hoping for a radical redesign, the iPad mini 7 may not be the transformative update you expected. According to numerous industry sources, the tablet will likely retain the design introduced in the iPad mini 6. That means we can expect the same 8.3-inch screen with slim bezels, Touch ID embedded in the power button, and a USB-C port, features that modernized the mini back in 2021. If recent trends are any indication, like the bolder, darker hues seen in the iPad Air M2 and iPhone 16, we could see the iPad mini 7 sporting new shades to give it a modern look without altering its core design. While the design may stay the same, the internal hardware is where the iPad mini 7 is expected to shine. Rumors suggest the iPad mini 7 will receive a significant performance boost with the A17 Pro chip, the same processor that powers the iPhone 15 Pro models. This upgrade, coupled with an expected increase in RAM from 4 to 8 gigs, should dramatically improve the tablet's capabilities. From gaming and video editing to multitasking, the new chip will likely elevate the mini's performance and enable better support for Apple's AI-powered Apple Intelligence features, set to debut with iOS 18 and iPadOS 18. However, more ambitious display upgrades, such as an OLED panel, seem unlikely in this generation. For now, the iPad mini 7 will likely retain its 8.3-inch Liquid Retina display, which still offers excellent visual quality even if it isn't cutting edge. Another frequently mentioned feature is ProMotion, Apple's 120Hz refresh rate technology. Storage is another area where the iPad mini 7 is expected to receive a much-needed upgrade. The iPad mini 6's base model comes with 64 gigs of storage, which many users find insufficient in 2024. Industry experts predict that the base storage for the iPad mini 7 will start at 128 gigs, with options going up to 512 gigs for those who need extra room for apps, files, and media. Reports suggest the iPad mini 7 will support Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, offering faster, more reliable wireless connections. For those who opt for the cellular model, 5G connectivity will remain a standard feature. According to sources, the iPad mini 7 could be released as early as October 2024. Further fueling speculation are stock shortages of the iPad mini 6 at major retailers like Best Buy, a common sign that a new product is on the horizon. While some rumors suggest a potential delay into early 2025, the general consensus is that the new mini will arrive by the end of the year. The iPad mini 7 promises to be a compelling upgrade, especially for users looking for enhanced performance and better multitasking. Although it may not come with a revolutionary redesign or an OLED display, its expected improvements, like the A17 Pro chip, smoother display, and increased storage, make it a solid choice for anyone in need of a powerful, compact tablet. Whether you're using it for work, media consumption, or gaming, the iPad mini 7 is poised to be a strong contender in the tablet market. If Apple manages to address the few shortcomings of the iPad mini 6 while enhancing its power and usability, the 7th generation could easily become a favorite among fans of small form factor tech. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day and God bless you.